This is the plaintiff, Carl Collins. He says he purchased a 2002 BMW 745i from the defendant, and also a warranty in case anything went wrong with it. Sure enough, the car started running badly. He tried on numerous occasions to contact the defendant for repair, was ignored. Now is suing for the return of the $3,200 he paid for the worthless warranty. This is the defendant, Reynoso. He says the plaintiff never brought the car into the warranty company for an inspection to make sure there were no pre-existing conditions. The guy then took matters into his own hands when he had some engine trouble and brought it into a different shop for repairs. Since the plaintiff didn't follow the proper procedures and he didn't do anything wrong, he owes nothing. He's accused of un-warranting a warranty.
All parties, please use your right hand. Litigants have been sworn in.
Thank you, Douglas. Carl Collins, you are suing an auto dealership. You're the manager or the owner?
The manager.
The manager's name is Reynoso for $3,200 for the purchase of a car warranty that, according to you, you never saw any evidence of them buying. Tell me what happened.
Well, I purchased the car, and in the beginning, I didn't purchase the extended warranty. But as a month or two went on, I said, let me purchase this warranty in case something goes wrong.
When did you buy the car?
9/30/16.
16. All right. And when did you purchase the extended warranty?
The exact date of the purchase was 12/23/16.
Does that sound right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you purchased the extended warranty, and what happened?
I started having problems with the car.
When did you start having problems?
Around May of 17, and I went to them to try to get the car repaired.
You called them or you went physically to them?
Both.
Okay.
I wasn't receiving any.
What does that mean? What would they say when you show up with the car?
That they would set it up, come back, just different things, nothing that would actually get the car fixed, just a runaround. That's what it was, basically.
How many times did you take the car over there?
I'll say about, I never took the car personally. I took the car, but
yes or no, did you take the car?
Yes, I did.
How many times did you take the car over there?
I'll say about 5 or 6 times.
Why do you say you didn't take it personally?
I didn't take it to get fixed. I took it back to the dealership to see if I could get it fixed.
Right, I understand. Without appointments?
Without appointments, I would just go.
Because when you would call to try to get one, what would they say to you?
I'll come in. They would give me actually tell me to come in on a date, and I would go that date, but nothing would transpire.
What do you mean nothing would transpire? They gave you a date, you go there with the car, and what do they say? Oh, we're too busy. What do they say?
They have to call and make sure that the warranty's in effect. It was a big question as even if I had a warranty or not.
Don't you have the warranty papers?
I never received anything.
Did he pay you $3,200 for a car warranty?
Yes.
Did you purchase one with that money?
Yes, we did.
Show it to me.
I didn't bring it with me.
You gotta be kidding me. You're getting sued because he thinks you pocketed the money? All you gotta do is show me how you didn't? You have it, but you didn't think the judge would want to see it when that's what you're getting sued for?
I have the contract. It was not done at the point of point of sale.
Right, but you acknowledge taking his money for a warranty contract.
Yes.
So I'm going to need to see how you legitimately paid $3,200 for a warranty contract. I'm going to need to see that. Why would you think I don't need to see that?
I didn't think about that.
You're the manager?
Yes.
Who's at the dealership right now?
The other employees.
Fabulous. I'm going to take a recess, and you're going to get me proof you bought a warranty and didn't pocket his money, okay? Because I'm sure you have it, right? Because you would never just steal the guy's money. Court's in recess.
All rise.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Harvey Levin here. So, who has BMW around here? BMW? You know the 7 Series?
Yes, sir.
You like them?
Yeah, I have one.
What do you think about a 2002 7 Series? Risky to have?
Yeah, because it's older than mine.
It's older than yours. Is a 2002 car, which is 16 years old, a little too dicey?
I would say.
And especially like a BMW that has, a lot of, mechanical, electronic stuff.
Probably, yes. A little dangerous, yeah.
A little risky going inside the courtroom.
Okay. We took a lengthy recess to give you a chance to go ahead and find the documentation that the entire lawsuit's about. And do we all have copies of the same thing here? Have you ever seen this document?
No, I haven't. First time I've seen this.
Okay, this purports to be a warranty with the Penn Warranty Corporation. And where it says customer signature, which is where your signature should be, what you guys wrote is on file?
Yes, he wasn't present when we sent this out because when we did the transaction, it was done in 2 installments. He didn't pay for the warranty all one shot. So upon the first payment, we drew up the contract, but we did not actually send everything out into the...
Well, when did you get his signature? Because this is a contract. Where is his signature at any point in time? Is there a signature?
We have his signature on the bill of sale, which is
Well,
submitted.
that's a signature. You do understand that that is one legal document and this is another one, right? Like, just because someone signs one legal document doesn't mean, that they've signed all legal documents. This is a separate and distinct contract that would require his signature.
Right.
Yeah, unless you guys actually didn't buy the policy. And the interesting thing is that this says on file, and it says 12/29/16 when he says that he sent you the check on 12/23/16. So what would explain that discrepancy?
Because we don't pay for it the same day. They come and pick up the contracts from us. The representative for the warranty company comes to the dealership and picks up.
Perhaps then you could explain, because see, I took the liberty of calling Penn Warranty Corporation before coming out here. And you know what the funny thing is? They don't have a contract for him. But that's probably not surprising to you. Did you guys just hustle this up right now during the recess?
No, absolutely not.
Well, because it's kind of weird that you would come to court where someone's suing you for a warranty and you don't have a warranty in your hands. And it isn't until the judge makes you squirm that all of a sudden you come up with this, so it smelled kind of fishy. So I called the Penn Warranty Corporation, and they have no warranty under this gentleman's name. They have no warranty under this VIN number. They have no warranty under this date for this car. So who at your dealership thinks that I am an idiot?
Judge, the reason why this was never put through is because the date of sale was months prior. So
why'd you take his money? So you never put it through. You just admitted you never put it through. That means he has no warranty. So you just took his cash.
They needed, along with the contract, a full inspection of the vehicle before putting the contract into effect.
Anybody ever tell you, hey, bring the car by, we have to inspect it so that we can get... No, they just took your cash, right?
Basically.
Actually, Judge, when we discussed the warranty, I explained to him that it had to be done within 30 days. If it was done after...
So then why'd you take his cash? It was 3 months later, so why'd you take his cash then?
Yeah, so I was gonna explain.
Yeah, so you needed him to bring the car back. So why'd you take his cash, and how did you buy a policy with his cash if he didn't bring the car over?
We needed to provide the warranty.
Yeah, so how were you able to buy the policy that you swear under oath that you bought for him if he didn't bring the car by?
When we submitted the documentation, they asked us to provide the inspection. At that point, we didn't have the inspection for the vehicle.
Well, then you have his money because you weren't able to buy a policy.
Well, I never disputed that I wasn't going to refund him his money.
I'm sorry. We're in court because you haven't refunded him his money.
Because we spoke about him receiving the money.
How much money?
Originally, we gave him $1,900 or something like that.
How is that? How much money did you pay for the warranty, my dear? $3,200? How is that $3,200? How is $1,900 $3,200? Because if that's the case, I'd like to buy a car for $1,900 that you want to sell me for $3,200.
We spoke about giving them the difference as well. The problem is
Can I
that
ask you a question? You know you're getting sued, right? So why don't you just do the right thing and give the man his money back, since you basically are thieves who took his money, didn't buy a policy, and were crossing their fingers nothing would go wrong? That's essentially what you've just admitted to me you did. Oh, we were always going to do it. Well, why didn't you do that before you wasted my time? You guys are going to pay him back the $3,200 plus his court costs plus prejudgment statutory interest. But you know what? That's not enough, because then the gamble that you did with your customer was worth it for you. So I am also assessing an extra $1,000 in punitive damages.
So the plaintiff gets everything he's seeking, plus $1,000 punitive charges. You know, Mr. Reynoso, you, in effect, just got caught by the judge stealing that money from him. How do you respond to that?
I didn't steal anything.
If you and your firm,
I don't own the company, but there's a lot more to the story that was not, I was not given the opportunity to
well, what would you have
discuss.
said that would have changed the judge's mind?
Well, we never said that we wasn't going to return the money to Mr. Collins. The warranty didn't go through because we didn't have the inspection.
Why
and
didn't
we
you
s-
tell him? Why didn't
and
he
we-
know?
And we spoke to Mr. Collins about getting his money back. Problem is, he didn't wait for us to refund him his money. He filed the lawsuit before we got the opportunity.
But it's
to
been
refund.
months now. This has been going on. You could,
Yeah, well, things happen.
it's a poor excuse. I'm sorry, but it makes you look really, really bad. You got to know that.
Okay, well,
Okay. You must sign a few documents out there. You're lucky, I think, quite frankly, that the judge didn't call the cops. I don't know. What do you think?
I think you're right.
Really?
Absolutely, yeah.
I mean,
Shysters.
yeah. Well,
Bad.
did you ever expect them to give you the money back?
No, that's why I'm here.
Of course. Well, how do you feel about it now? You're going to get more than you were asking for.
I'm good.
That rarely happens, you know.
The judge saw through it. That's all I have to say, basically.
Well, good for you.
I'm happy. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations for bringing the case to court.
I appreciate it.
Okay, very good.
Good to see
Thank you
you.
very much. Harvey, that's really that's an amazing case. What do you think about this one?
Okay, the judge awarded punitive damages because you can get it for fraud, oppression, or malice, and guess what? There was fraud here.